Aengus, the dreamer of love and fate. From stolen homes to dreamlike romances, Aengus weaves fate like no other. How well do you know his story? His name means what did Aengus dream of? What form does care take? Who is Aengus's father? Aengus helps which hero? Aengus's mother is? Who helps find care? How did Aengus claim his home? What does Aengus give Diarmid? Who does he love? Aengus is often called Aengus is one of the How did Aengus find care? Aengus's foster father is? When could Aengus meet care? Where does Aengus live? Aengus, master of dreams and fate, how well did you walk the path of the love god? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mythological stories and quizzes from Broken Sword Gaming.